Mucky Duck is our mixed doubles bonspiel. Each team is made from one female curler and one male curler. The play differs slightly from the standard 4-person game. Each team throws 5 rocks, and 2 additional rocks are placed in play before each end starts. On Saturday, we have wooden duck races. The name Mucky Duck came from a former local bar that the creators of the Spiel once visited and later heard it was a swingers bar. The Spiel has a 3-game guarantee. The teams that lose their first 2 games swap partners and compete on Saturday night for the Best Swappers Award. During the bonspiel, food from local restaurants is provided, and of course we have an open bar with specialty drinks.
We were playing for a trophy, tied up at 3 after 6, when something bad happened that just about made me sick. I skipped through the hammer to keep them from stealing 3, but my broom tapped the rock. It was burnt, and so were we. Well, my skip, he blew his fuse and left me here standing with my broom in the burnt rock blues. Now I could point out the fact that this was my first bonspiel, but I've curled long enough to know that that's not the deal. Sometimes shit just happens, is something that I've learned. Another is that it's over when your stone gets burned. I guess I had to pay my dues and get left standing here with my broom in the burnt rock blues. From Ed, my friendly vice. Watch out for those rough spots that are out there on the ice, and do not sweep too close to that sliding stone, or else you will be left standing on the ice alone. I'm here to spread the news. Don't get left standing there with your broom in the burnt rock blues. Spread the news, don't get left standing there with your broom in the burnt rock blues. If the shot goes right, it's due to the skip's good call. But when the shot is wide, it's always the sweeper's fault. 'Cause the skip is always right, the skip is never wrong. And Martha said that that would make a fine title for a song. The skip is always right, the skip is never wrong. And if you're lead, second, or vice, you just might want to sing along. The skip calls the shots with diligence and care, but it's up to the sweepers to get the granite there. The other curlers whine and bemoan their sorry fate. When they say they threw on line, the skip just says wrong weight. The skip is always right, the skip is never wrong. And if you're lead, second, or vice, you just might want to sing along. Skips must bear the weight of the game in their own hands. It's their job to tempt fate, but no one understands that if the other curlers would do as the skip said, every shot would come out fine and they'd always be ahead. The skip is always right, the skip is never wrong. And if you're lead, second, or vice, you just might want to sing along.
The skip is always right, the skip is never wrong. And if your lead second or vice, you just might want to sing along.